So for all the files that you want, you can change star.star. Star is anything followed by anything. So all the files have these structure known as file name dot file extension, right? It is the same in Windows as well. So if you want any file name, these are called as keywords which you can use, and uh, this basically uses regular expression. All right. Everything clear until now?
Yes. Okay. So
Yeah.
let's change mode.
So yeah. So I think Suresh, the time for today's class is already over. Were you able to start your Linux, Kali? Hello.
Me?
Yeah. Were you able to start the Linux, Kali?
Yeah, I think, yeah, it's black
Yeah.
and
Right.
the screen is black.
Yeah, if you just move the cursor, you will get it. So now I'll paste some of the links that will help you understand some basic Linux commands. So if you can copy those and have a look at them.
What did you paste? The command you say?
Yeah, I'm just pasting 3 links for 3 things that are really important in Linux. So if you have enough time to read this, then that's great, or else we'll continue this section tomorrow. But if you have read, like if you get time and you read it, then we can move further in the class and we can complete the class soon.
I will try. Let's get us here.
Yeah, no problem. These are just very small, like it doesn't require any technical knowledge or something. I've specially shortlisted these articles so that it's easier for you to follow. They have like basic commands for beginners, and it has the chmod function and what it means, each and every point in that. And one more is vi editor. So the one I told you, Vim is a vi editor. So it's just a tutorial for Vim. All right, so let's end the
Hello?
session. Let's
What,
end
what is
this.
what, what is the link that you say?
Yeah, the first one is all the basic Linux commands. The second one is the chmod command that we tried. So it gives you a brief discussion as to what chmod does and what it is. And the third one is for Vim editor.
Oh, I mean, maybe I misunderstood what you just said. You said you're gonna send the link so that we can read.
Yeah, the links are already there in the chat option. I just sent them. Can you
In
check
the
the chat?
chat. I
Yeah.
don't have access. It's not open. The organizer didn't open it. It's not open to us.
It's not open, yes, sir. We don't see it.
Oh,
We don't see it.
right. So, 1 second.
I think it opened now, and but still it's nothing.
Yeah, it's open now,
Uh,
but there's nothing.
It's empty.
there's nothing. Okay, so I'll just send the links again.
I have one more thing. I'm still confused how to navigate in the Linux since it just opened. I don't even know how to log in inside. I don't know how to navigate.
Yeah, 1 second. So I'll just paste the link separately again. So if you just copy these links, I think it would be very easier for you to understand what the basic 3 things are. These are the 3 very important things in Linux that will help you throughout the course. And when you boot up Linux, Kali, if it asks you see for the username and password. The username is root and the password is root. That is the default to username and password. Root and root.
Username is root, password is T. Okay. So how do you? I mean, I'm still confused. How do you navigate and open um, those files that you just opened?
What? Can you repeat the question again?
No, I'm saying I'm still don't know how to navigate and open the file that you just showed us.
Okay, so once you go through these commands, if you have any doubts, then we can do that tomorrow as well. We'll have the similar session tomorrow for Linux commands and what all we can do in Linux, right?
Okay.
Okay, yeah, so don't worry. If you have any doubts, we can again do it tomorrow because I think once you read that the first article I sent you, a lot of things will get clear to you. So
Okay.
navigation is just like CD to enter and CD space dot dot to go out. So like if you see the screen, I can just go CD
Mm-hmm.
desktop and I'm in the desktop.
Mm-hmm.
Now CD cybersec and I'm inside the cybersec folder. To move out, I can CD space dot dot and I'm out of the directory and CD space dot dot I'm out of the desktop. And CD root, I'm inside root and ls will show me all the folders there are. ls is to view folders and files. CD is to enter any folder. CD space dot dot is to come out. So I just go in CD etc. I type ls. I know what folders are in there.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I was talking about. The basic navigation, how to, yeah, how to do those stuff. Okay.
Yeah. It's three commands: cd dot dot and
Mm-hmm.
ls. I think this can you can navigate through just these three commands.
I don't know why I'm not able to copy the link that you're saying. Yeah.
If not, then I'll send these to Arun and I'll tell him to forward you. If you cannot copy from the chat, I think I have allowed you the permission to access the chat.
I
Huh?
was able to copy that.
Did you copy?
Yeah, I just select that, and I press Control C and then Control V. It worked for me.
Because I'm trying to copy on my Word document, but it's not.
I did it on Notepad, and it.
Yeah, even have a notepad on it, but
Yeah.
okay, yeah, it works. Okay, thank you. It works. Thank
Okay,
you.
right. So, Abdul, have you joined the course already?
Yeah, I was talking with Arun here. I'm joining, and the only thing was the timing. So
Uh-huh.
Arun told me that he'll adjust it for me. So yep.
Or okay.
Because I had a Java class, so he said that he will adjust it. Either he will move Java a bit earlier, or he will talk to you also.
Okay. Yeah. Cool. So, see you guys tomorrow.
All right, thank you so much.
Thanks, Jeff.
Yeah. All right. Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.